Now let's get some real practice in drawing enthalpy change cycle and also calculating the standard enthalpy change of formation of some substance, okay? So let's do so. The formation of NO. So we write the standard enthalpy change of formation of NO. Now recite the standard enthalpy change of formation first. It is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of substance is formed from its constituent elements in their standard states under standard conditions. So it is the form 1 mole of NO. Remember always 1 mole of NO. Okay, this is 1/2. This is 1/2. Okay, so we have delta H1, and this is the reaction that we would like to find. This is delta HF NO. Okay, so now we have another reaction, right? We have this one. NO reacting to form NO2 plus O2, 1/2 O2. Why 1/2 O2? Because this is 2 NO. This is 1 NO. So we multiply this. Multiply equation 2 by 1/2. Understand? So we multiply it by 1/2. This will be NO2, 1 NO2, understand? So we plus 1/2 O2. Of course, we add something on the right hand side. We also need to add something on the left hand side, right? This is what mathematics teacher teaches you, that when we add something on the right, we also need to add something on the left. So this will be 1/2 delta H2. And this one, look at this, 1/2 N2, 1/2 N2. 1/2 O2 plus 1/2 O2 means 1 O2, right? 1 O2, 1/2 N2. So we can see that it already fits the equation of delta H1. So this will be delta H1. It is directly delta H1. And this is 1/2 delta H2. So still remember that I taught you in the last video. The clockwise direction will always be equal to the anti-clockwise direction. So the first step, we draw the enthalpy change cycle. The second step, we write down by Hess's law. And the third step, we calculate it. Okay? The third step, delta H1 anti-clockwise direction equals the clockwise direction, delta H2 times 1/2 plus delta HF NO. So delta HF NO actually equals delta H1, which is 34.0 minus 1/2 times delta H2, negative 112.0. Equals what? Let's calculate. 34.0 minus 0.5 times negative 112, which is positive 90.0 kilojoule per mole. Now, please pay attention that you must write down by Hess's law, and you need to write down the enthalpy change cycle, and you need to show your calculation. And remember to put down the correct unit, kilojoule per mole. And remember, this is 1/2. Remember to put down or multiply the both sides by a factor if necessary. Okay? So that's the end of this question.